Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I wish to show you a simple experiment that you can try it with your kids. We have done it with us and we can see that they have enjoyed it and at the same time learned the importance of washing hands. If you're new to my channel, I would love you to consider subscribing by clicking the red button below, and also please remember to click on the notification button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. On that note, let's get started.
All you need is a shallow bowl or a dish, water, black pepper and some dishwasher liquid. Pour the water into the dish till it is half filled. Sprinkle black pepper on the surface of the water. Here you can see how the surface tension of the water causes the pepper flakes to float. Stick your finger in the center of the dish and see if anything happens. You would probably notice that the pepper flakes stick to your finger. Now imagine for a moment the pepper flakes are germs. Now dip the tip of your finger in the dishwasher liquid. Now stick that finger into the center of the dish. What happens? You will notice that the soap takes away all the pepper flakes which represent germs in this experiment. This means that without any soap on your finger, the germs do not move at all. However, germs do not like soap. The soap is able to surround the germs and take them off your hands and wash them right down the drain.
I hope you liked this video and enjoyed the experiment as much as we did. Take care until we meet next time with another interesting video. Bye.